Hello future toppers, let's make maths simple, intuitive and fun together. So we got wholesome new problem which says minimum number of times a fair coin must be tossed so that the probability of getting, this is getting, okay, getting at least one head is more than 99%. Okay, so probability of getting at least one head should be more than 99%. So can I say that probability of getting at least one head is equal to total probability minus no head? Correct or wrong? This is correct. Now look at this. 1 is 1. Now you know that you have to throw a dice n number of times. You have to find out, suppose that you are throwing a dice n number of times, out of which you don't want head. So you don't want head means what? The number of head should be 0. So 1 by 2 power 0, and everything should be not head means it is tail. So you should have n. Now you know that it is 1 and c 0 is 1, 1 by 2 power 0 is 1, and it is 1 by 2 power n. So this is the probability of getting at least one head, and they are saying that the probability of getting at least one head is more than 99%. So can I say that, can I write down this inequality according to the question? Can I say that 1 minus 1 by 2 power n should be more than, so it is greater than, it is not more than or equal to, so it is more than 99%. So 99% means what? 99 by 100. Now can I ask this person to go that side and this person to come this side? So we will have 1 minus 99 by 100 greater than 1 by 2 power n. So this thing will become what? 1 by 100 greater than 1 by 2 power n. Now you have to handpick the value of n so that it holds true, and the value of n should be minimum number of times. Okay, so look at this. You know that if n is 1, it is 2, so it is wrong. If n is 2, so it is 4, then 8, then 16, 32, then 64. You know that this is, the numerator is same. Okay, so this thing will be greater. Wait, I'll tell you. So it is 64, then it is 128. So it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this inequality will hold true. Look, you know that if n is 1, this is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is bigger than 1 by 100. So this inequality hold false for n equal to 1, false for n equals to 2. So it will not hold true for these cases. The moment you got 7, this inequality starts holding true, means n can take value greater than equal to 7. Okay, so n can be greater than equal to 7, and they have asked you to find out the minimum n. So the required value is 7. This hit and trial you have to do to handle these kind of situations. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.